Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Looking to achieve a flawless wall finish? The best drywall sanders with vacuum make sanding faster, cleaner, and virtually dust-free. Perfect for DIYers and professionals alike, these tools save time while delivering smooth, professional-grade results every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT DCE 800B 20V Max Cordless Drywall Sander. The DEWALT DCE 800B 20V Max Cordless Drywall Sander is a powerful, versatile tool designed for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable sanding solution. Its brushless motor significantly improves runtime and durability, eliminating the need for frequent brush replacements, which makes the sander more efficient over prolonged use. The telescoping shaft is a standout feature, allowing users to reach ceilings, high walls, or tight corners with ease. This flexibility is complemented by the wireless tool control feature, which allows the sander to be switched on and off remotely when paired with a compatible DEWALT Best extractor, streamlining the sanding process and reducing physical strain. The sander connects quickly and securely to DEWALT dust extractors via airlock, ensuring dust is captured efficiently and maintaining a cleaner working environment. Additionally, the variable speed dial enables precise control over the sanding speed, allowing adjustments to match different surfaces or project requirements. Number 2. Makita XLS01T 18V LXT Brushless Cordless Drywall Sander. The Makita XLS01T 18V LXT Brushless Cordless Drywall Sander delivers exceptional performance, with a focus on flexibility, maneuverability, and dust management. Equipped with the BL brushless motor, the sander runs cooler and more efficiently, providing longer motor life without the need for carbon brush maintenance. The motor is positioned directly at the sanding head, enhancing sanding efficiency and allowing for precise, consistent results across different wall surfaces. The tool delivers up to 35 minutes of runtime with a single 18V LXT 5.0 amp-hour battery, with the sander balancing comfortably in the hand while offering stable handling even during extended use. Its cordless design eliminates cord tangles and increases mobility across the workspace. Ideal for DIYers and professionals alike, the Makita XLS01T excels at sanding drywall joints, smoothing plaster or putty, and preparing walls for paint or wallpaper. The combination of battery-powered convenience, brushless motor efficiency, extendable pipe, and flexible head swivel makes this sander highly adaptable for a variety of projects.
Number 3. VEVOR Drywall Sander 750W. The VEVOR Drywall Sander 750W is an excellent choice for both professionals and home renovators seeking a durable, efficient, and dust-minimizing sanding solution. Constructed with a combination of metal and high-quality plastic, this sander offers long-term durability while remaining lightweight and ergonomic. Its pure copper 850-watt motor powers a 7-level variable speed range from 800 to 1750 RPM, providing customizable performance for different surfaces and sanding tasks. The heavy-duty sanding head incorporates a unique brush pad designed to capture dust efficiently, keeping the workspace cleaner and reducing the need for extensive post-project cleanup, while the foldable design ensures compact storage and convenient transportation. An integrated LED strip light illuminates the sanding area, enhancing visibility and improving accuracy in intermediate spaces. Dust extraction is supported through the included PVC hose and vacuum bag, capturing up to 80% of dust particles, which makes it ideal for indoor use and sensitive environments.
Number 4. GEVEELIFE Electric Drywall Sander 1000 to 2100 RPM. The GEVEELIFE Electric Drywall Sander 1000 to 2100 RPM is designed to provide a high-performance professional quality sanding experience while minimizing dust and physical strain. Powered by an 880-watt pure copper motor, the sander delivers efficient sanding across a wide range of surfaces, including walls, ceilings, and floors. It features 5 adjustable speeds from 1000 to 2100 RPM, allowing users to tailor performance to the material and desired finish. The telescoping pole, ranging from 4.5 to 5.5 feet, accommodates different working heights, and the foldable handle ensures compact storage.
Additionally, the included labor-saving back belt reduces fatigue during extended sealing sanding tasks. Its powerful motor and flexible design make it ideal for both professional contractors and dedicated DIYers, providing consistent results across different drywall surfaces.
Number 5. The WIN 6369 Electric Variable Speed Drywall Sander. The WIN 6369 Electric Variable Speed Drywall Sander is a high-performance, versatile tool engineered for efficient sanding with maximum dust control. Its 780-watt pure copper motor delivers powerful performance for smoothing drywall, ceilings, interior and exterior walls, and even clearing residual paint or loose plaster. The sander features a 7-level variable speed control from 900 to 1800 RPM, allowing users to adjust the sanding intensity to suit various surfaces, providing optimal results with precision. Its 360-degree rotating sanding disc allows access to corners and tight spots, enhancing versatility. The aluminum alloy extensible handle extends up to 6.2 feet, making sealing and high wall sanding comfortable and less strenuous. An integrated LED light around the base improves visibility in dark workspaces, ensuring precision and reducing errors. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the right drywall sander with vacuum makes finishing walls faster, cleaner, and easier. From cordless flexibility to powerful dust extraction, these tools help you achieve smooth, professional results with minimal cleanup. Invest in one today and transform your sanding projects into effortless, high-quality finishes every time.